Hi, my name is Faizan Mushtaq and I am representing Team NEXUS. Welcome to NEXUS. We are building the future of integrated work tools for the advisory industry. So let's discuss the problem first. What is the problem in this industry? Today the advisory industry is broken by administrative friction. Advisors waste up to 65% of their week on manual coordination and admin, leaving only 35% of the actual client work. This leads to missed follow-ups, disorganized communications, and ultimately client dissatisfaction. The sources are given in the PPT. And the second problem we are discussing is the slow revenue. This manual burden of slow revenue because of fragmented document collection, onboarding a single client can take anywhere from 2 to 34 weeks. This drastically inflates client acquisition costs. Okay, in processes requiring heavy document collection like this, client abandonment rate increases 70 to 80%. Okay, so the third problem we are discussing about is terrible user experience. From the client perspective, the experience is equally frustrating. A client suffers through an average of 10 separate follow-up emails just to get their project started, wasting their time and delaying their work. This is a massive systematic issue. In Malaysia alone, this affects over 12,000 corporate consultings, financial planning and advisory professionals. So what's the solution for all these problems? Okay, the solution is a singular intelligent portal connecting the entire advisor client relationship. Meet us. NEXUS is an integrated dashboard that replaces the multiple platforms an advisor and client normally have to switch between just to get simple work done. For the advisor, NEXUS saves times for advisors. Okay, the NEXUS saves time by centralizing daily manual work into an one easy to use portal. It also generates practical professional development points directly from client reviews. And for the client benefits and why a client can choose NEXUS for instead of the regular WhatsApp chats and etc. Why he should choose NEXUS is that for the client, NEXUS means they no longer have to roam the internet for advisor contacts and pricing. They have access to advisor profiles, can make bookings and get in contact directly, completely eliminating those 10 follow-up emails and onboarding process. They maintain a high and accurate engagement pipeline. They keep them updated on the process without ever needing to switch tables. Okay, so why choose us? It's simple as that. If you want to save time, choose us. If you want to get work done easily, choose us. And if you want high-end security, we will discuss our security later on in this PPT, but choose us for that reason also. So let me go through our product prototype demo first quickly. So this is our product prototype. This is how our portal will look, and there are two demo access logins so that we can just see how all this works. This is an advisor portal. This is an advisor portal, so advisor can see his CPD, like personal development score, and this score also increases by the points given by the client itself. And there are my profile, client, everything, like every task they can schedule meeting, assign partners to the client, chat box, directly chat any type of text or something to the client. And that's all for this admin portal. We will see the client portal first, and this is the client portal in which in which there is an engagement pipeline that we talked about, and there is an immediate update system. Like if a client wants to immediately update advisor about anything, he can just text it in here, and same chat box connects client with the advisor services that we provide, that consultancy provide meetings, schedule any meeting whenever they want or something like that. And partners, what are the partners progress. So this is a demo, like demo website. There is no back end, really developed back end, because it's so database driven website, so it needs a lot of data to be really working. So let's get back to the page slides. Let's get back to the security. Okay, because we handle sensitive financial and business data, high end security is not optional. To ensure enterprise grade compliance, and our architecture employs a zero trust data model. When a user logs in the server make sure it issues a cryptographically signed JWT, JSON Web Token. So we enforce strict role-based access control and raw level security directly at the database layer. This means an advisor or client can only access rows where the ID matches their verified JWT. Even if our API is directly attacked, cross-tenant data leakage is structurally impossible. From a technical standpoint, Nexus is built on a clean, layered MVP architecture that serves as a highly scalable front-end and domain model foundation. What is the market opportunity? Okay, what is the market opportunity? Because manual work consumes up to 40% of an advisor's time, this tool solves a severe systemic pain point. The demand for an end-to-end advisory integration tool is massive, high growth, and globally scalable, as mentioned. So what is the product roadmap? Here is our execution plan. In Q1 we deploy our core integration engine. In Q2 we introduce AI modules featuring predictive analytics and automating workflow builders, and Q3 we will secure SOC2 compliance certification and expand our global server nodes for scale and security. Finally, in Q4, we will open our public API for third-party developer integration and launch a marketplace. And what's the revenue model? Revenue model for this is that we capture this value through a highly scalable recurring revenue model built on long-term enterprise software contracts and scalable API usage. Our revenue breakdown is 50% enterprise, and as you can see in the slide. And that's it. Join the Nexus. Let's build the future together. Thank you.